Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by heating the adhesive to soften it. This reduces tearing and protects paint. Use a heat gun at low to medium or a hair dryer on high, moving in slow circles for 2-3 minutes. While heating, score around the mirror base with a razor at a shallow angle to break the outer seal. Make sure not to gouge glass. Once the surface feels warm to the touch, position dental floss or a strong nylon line behind the mount to begin the cutting motion. Now you saw through the bond using dental floss or fishing line, keeping hands steady and the line flat against the windshield to slice the softened adhesive. This minimizes glass stress. Use a back and forth sawing motion while pulling downward slightly to follow the mirror base contour. If you hit resistance, stop and reheat for 30 to 60 seconds so the adhesive softens again. Once the mirror pops free, lift it straight off. Make sure to support and inspect for any finish by removing residue. Apply adhesive remover or 90% isopropyl, let it soak 1 to 2 minutes, then scrape with a plastic razor to avoid marring glass. For stubborn glue, alternate heating and reapplying solvent until the film lifts cleanly. Make sure to work in small sections and wipe residue away frequently. Once clean, polish the glass edge with a light, shallow razor pass and finish with glass cleaner. If the adhesive resists, reheating and patient scraping prevents chipping. Never force a metal tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.